welcome back to my channel Tips. As I said in the last video, today I will be discussing about silkworm rearing and sericulture. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Don't forget to click that bell icon. So let's get started. Silk fibers are also known as the animal fibers. The rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Now, let us discuss the life history of a silkworm. The female moth, this is the female moth. The female silk moth lays eggs from which new larvae are being hatched, which are called the caterpillars or the silkworm. So, they lay eggs and larvae are hatched, and this is the caterpillar. They grow in size, and when the caterpillar is ready to enter the next stage, that is the pupa stage, in this stage, the caterpillar weaves a net to hold itself. Then it swings its head from side to side in a formation of figure 8. During these movements of the head, the caterpillar secretes some fiber made of protein. This fiber finally gets hardened on exposure to air and becomes silk fibers. Soon the caterpillar covers it completely by silk fiber and it is known as the cocoon. This is the cocoon. The moth then further develops inside the cocoon. There are various kinds of silk depending upon type of silk moth involved in their production. Like there are different, you have must have listened various type of silks. Like the texture also varies actually. Some types of silks are tassar silk, muga silk, kosa silk, etc. The most common in India is the mulberry silk. Now, the question is how silk is obtained from the cocoon. The larva finally, after developing to the caterpillar stage, now reach to the pupa stage, and from that it forms a cocoon. Now the question comes, how silk is obtained from this hardened substance called the cocoon. A lot of silkworms are reared for sericulture. A female silk moth lays 100 of eggs, which are then stored carefully in hygienic condition and under suitable conditions. The eggs are warmed to a suitable temperature for the larva to hatch from eggs. The caterpillars are fed fresh mulberry leaves. After 25 to 30 days, the caterpillars stop eating and move to a tiny corner in the tray in which they are reared. Cocoons, then the caterpillar, after spinning cocoons, they goes to the corner of the tray to spin the cocoons. And after the cocoon is being spun, they develop inside the cocoon only. Now, finally, when the cocoons are ready, either they are kept under the sun or exposed to steam. The silk fibers separate out in this stage. The process of taking out threads from the cocoon for using as silk is called reeling of silk. Silk fibers are then finally spun into silk threads, which are usable for weaving clothes and different type of materials of made up of silk. So this was the life history of a silkworm. That's all for today. Thank you and stay tuned for our next videos.